Well, I'm just sitting here at my friend's apartment and watching this storm come in. Just trying to watch for some lightning or anything. It's a really hot day, 84 degrees, and usually we get the afternoon thunderstorms here in New York. I like storms, and one thing I like to point out, it's interesting, some of the leaves, you can see that the storm is, it has an updraft underneath. Now the leaves are going down, but the leaves are all shooting up from the courtyard a while ago and up into the sky. But I'm trying to see where the main course of this storm is. I think we may have missed it again. Whoops. I don't know. Come on, Mother Nature, let's see some fury. I'd love to be on the top of 432 Park Avenue right now, but I'd be worried about a lightning strike. It might be a little scary. It's the rain. Look at a paper bag up there, plastic bag flying around. It's caught in some updraft. Look at those mean looking clouds. I think it's gonna pour soon. Some raindrops. Just started pouring. You can barely see the top of 432 Park Avenue now. And now I can hear some more thunder. Oh yeah, it's really coming down now. Just let you guys listen and watch. Oh yeah, here it comes. Yeah, this is going to cool things down alright. It's getting harder to see some of the bigger buildings because that's the rain cloud coming toward us. Would have been cool to see from my apartment because, as you know, I'm on the 42nd floor. This is only the 11th floor here. Oh boy, yeah, it's coming down now. The garden's gonna get a good watering. All the plants and trees are going to be very happy. Barely can see anything now. Love storms. Love them. The lightning's getting closer, so I'm just going to keep it going for a second. I'm hoping lightning will strike one of those two buildings there and I can get it on film. Because 432 Park Avenue is a nice target, but so is the building in front of it, which is the Bloomberg building, as they call it. Well, that's not its real name, but Bloomberg has his offices in there. That's why they call it the Bloomberg building. But that has a needle. I mean, an antenna. So maybe it'll strike that. I don't mean to bore you guys, I'm really hoping something will happen here. Alright, well, it's really the end of the storm. Thanks for watching, guys. Mike out. 8 o'clock. Here's the final result.